Hi home cooks, today I'm cooking some rice with chicken curry. Hope this will be useful for the lockdown days. This is a simple and quick meal to cook for your lunch or dinner in just half an hour, and it can be easily served for 5 to 6 members. So let's get started. So starting by adding 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan on a medium flame. I'm using Amul butter in my recipe. After the butter melts, add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. I am adding a pinch of Asafoetida or hing powder. This is optional. Adding this to your gravy recipe enhances the flavor and also helps in digestion. Fry it for another minute and add finely chopped onions and cook it with the lid closed for 5 minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of salt so that it releases water from the onions and tomatoes and helps it cook faster. Close it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Now we are going to add all the spices. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 4 teaspoons of chili powder. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now add half kg of chicken in the pan and mix it well until the masala covers all the pieces. Close the lid and cook until the water is released from the chicken for around 10 minutes in low flame. Add 2 cups of water. When it starts to boil, close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Until then, I have already washed 3 cups of rice and soaked with 6 cups of water directly in the cooker for half an hour, so the rice will be soft when cooked. Cook the rice for 3 whistles and switch off the flame. If you can see, the butter has been released from the corners, which means it's cooked properly. After 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken will be cooked. Sprinkle some half teaspoon of garam masala and garnish with some coriander leaf. Leave it for a minute. Lastly, add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and switch off the flame. Add some butter on top and add few cashew nuts in it. Your gravy is ready to serve with the rice. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give a small like, share my video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. See you soon. Bye.